Class 4, Lesson 6, Factors. Factors are the numbers which exactly divide any given number. It means factors are the number which can divide any number completely. For example, here 1 can divisible by 1 only. So 1 is a factor of 1. Now 3 can be divisible by 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 are the factors of 3. In the same way, 7, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 17, 31, 1 and 31, 91, 1 and 91. 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. 8 can be divisible by 1 also, 2 also, 4 also and 8 also. So these 4 are the factors of 8. In the same way, for 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. For 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. For 26, 1, 2, 13 and 26. For 35, 1, 5, 7 and 35. And for 49, 1, 7 and 49. Exercise 6b. Tick write the correct answer. Can a factor of the number be greater than the number? No, because if the factor is greater than the number cannot be divisible by the factor. So this is no. To check if a number is a factor of the other, we divide that number by that factor. See, the number of factors of a number is limited. Factors are limited. 1 is a factor because 1 is the smallest number, so 1 is a factor of every number. Here the properties of factors is given. First property, 1 is a factor of every number. Second, any number is a factor of itself. Third, every factor of a number is either less than or equal to the given number. Factor cannot be greater than that number because factor can divide that number. Now the second, fill in the blanks. 7 into 8 equals to 56. So 7 and 8 are factors of 56. Second, 9 into 3 equals to 27. So 9 and 3 are factors of 27. Third one, dash 2 dash 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 are factors of 20. So 20 can be divided by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these are the factors of 20. These number can divide 20. Now question number D. Dash is a factor of every number. As we have learned in properties that 1 is a factor of every number. So here we will write 1. Now question number E. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Because the number itself is equals to that number and bigger than that there will be no factors. Now question number F. When a number is divided by its factor, there is no remainder left. Because when we divide any number by its factors, we get 0 as remainder. Now question number 3. Circle the number in which the first number is a factor of second. It means we have to divide the second number from the first number. For here 4 9 are 36. Yes, it is the factor of the 4 is a factor of 36. Now the second one, 40 is not divisible by 7, so this is not a factor of 40. Now here 71 is not divisible by 9, so this is also not a factor of 71. Now here 64 is divisible by 8, so 64 is a multiple of 8, or we can say 8 is a factor of 64. Now question number 4. Circle the numbers that have 3 as a factor. It means the number which can be divisible by 3. So here it is 3, 12, 18, 21, 24 and 30. These are the numbers which can be divisible by 3. Now question number 5. 9 is a factor of which of these numbers? So 9 can divide 18, 27, 36 and 63. So these are the multiples of 9. Now question number 6. List out the factors of. So here question number 6. Here how we can find out the factors. Here the 36 is given. So 1 and 36, it means 1 and number itself is always the factors. Then we will divide the 36 by 2. So 2 18 ja 36. So the 2 and 18 is also the factors of 36. Now we will divide 36 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. So here 3 and 12 is also the factors of 36. Then we will divide 36 by 4. 4 9 ja 36. So 4 and 9 is also the factors of 36. Then we cannot divide it by 5. So we will directly divide it by 6. 6 6 ja 36. So here 6 is the factor of 36. Now after that we cannot divide by 7, we cannot divide by 8. So after that 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the factors of 36. This is how we can find out the factors of any given number. So in the same way we will divide the rest also. Here 1 and 45 is a factor of 45. Then it can't be divisible by 2. So we will divide by 3. 3 15 ja 45. So 3 and 15 is also the factor of 45. Then we cannot divide by 4. So we will divide by 5. 5 9 ja 45. So 5 and 9 is also the factor of 45. Then we cannot divide by 6. We cannot divide by 7. It is not divisible by 8. Then 9. 9, 15 and 45. So these are the factors of 45. In the same way we will do the next. So in the question number C, 27 number is given. So 1 and 27 is already the factors of 27. Then we will divide it by 3. So 3 9 are 27. So these 4 numbers are the factors of 27. Then the question number D, the 63 is given. So these are the factors of 63. And for question number E, the 72 is given. So these are the factors of 72.